Assalamu alaikum class. Today we have to start special modes of nutrition in plants. बेटा आप सब लोगों को ये बात पता है कि plants are usually autotrophic. They are directly or indirectly the source of food for all organisms on this earth. क्या मतलब बेटे इसका कि यूजुअली ज़्यादातर प्लांट जो होते हैं they can prepare their own food and directly or indirectly they are the source of food for all organisms including the human being on this earth. Whereas some special plants which cannot manufacture their own food are wholly or partially dependent upon other plants or animals. Such plants are known as heterotrophic plants. Due to their special mode of nutrition, plants or heterotrophic plants can be divided into the following 4 types. Number 1, parasite. Number 2, saprophytes. Number 3, insectivores. And number 4, symbionts. Now, parasites. I think class, all of you know that what are parasites. In previous classes, you have studied that parasites are those organisms which can take their food from the other plant. So, the plants from which they can take their food is called the host, and itself they are parasites. Whereas an important feature of these plants is that they have special roots known as haustoria, which absorb ready-made food from the host plant. These roots come in contact with the xylem and the phloem tissues after penetrating the stem and continuously absorb water and salts from their host. यानी कि बेटे ऐसे प्लांट्स जो डिपेंड कर रहे हैं होस्ट के ऊपर टू टेक देयर फूड्स, हाउ दे कैन टेक देयर फूड, अ वेरी स्पेशल स्मॉल ब्रांचेस which are the special roots called haustoria, and they absorb ready-made food and water from the tissues. Which type of tissues? A special type of tissues which are called xylem and phloem. But all of you know that xylems are that vascular tissues which absorbs water from the soil through the roots and give it to the stem, branches and leaves. Similarly, phloems are those vascular tissues which can absorb their food from the leaf and give it to all parts of the plant. So, a well-known parasitic plant is Cuscuta, which is a total parasite. It totally depends upon other plant. Now, second example of heterotrophic plants is saprophytes. बेटा ये सैप्रोफाइट्स वो प्लांट होते हैं जिनमें क्लोरोफिल मौजूद ही नहीं होता, यानी कि जब क्लोरोफिल मौजूद नहीं होगा बेटे तो हाउ द फोटोसिंथेसिस अकर एंड हाउ दे कैन manufacture their own food. So these types of plant get their food from dead organic matter. जो ज़मीन में डेड ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होते हैं ये प्लांट्स वहाँ से अपना फूड एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. इसकी गुड एग्जाम्पल है मोनोट्रोपा एंड न्यूटिया. These plants are found in thick jungles where sunlight cannot reach the ground and the soil is rich in decomposing organic matter. The roots of these plants develop in association with a special type of fungus. These hyphae serve as root hairs and help in the absorption of food from the dead organic matter. And you know the examples are Monotropa and Nutia. Now, the third type of heterotrophic plants example is insectivores. According to their name, they take insects as a food. These plants are found in marshy areas of many countries. They attract insects with their peculiar shape, color, and nectar, and then trap them inside their modified leaves. The prey is killed, digested by enzymes, and finally absorbed. So, the insect plants can make their food by photosynthesis because of chlorophyll in their leaves and can survive without eating insects. However, the insect feed plants are stronger and healthier. They bear more flowers, fruits and seeds. यानी कि बेटा देखिए ये जो इंसेक्टिवोर्स हैं प्लांट्स ये दो तरीके के हैं, यानी कि एक तो ये इंसेक्ट को ट्रैप करते हैं और ये इंसेक्ट जो है जाकर इनके पिचर टाइप मॉडिफाइड लीफ के ऊपर बैठते हैं. एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ लीफ. हम ये देख रहे हैं कि ये आगे जाके मॉडिफाई हुई हुई है एक कप शेप में, और जब इस पर इंसेक्ट आकर बैठता है तो इसके ऊपर छोटा सा जो लिड रखा हुआ है वो बंद हो जाता है और ये डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है इस फूड को. तो ये जब इंसेक्ट भी यूज़ करेगा एंड इट हैज़ अ लीफ और विद क्लोरोफिल, तो दे कैन मेक देयर ओन फूड टू. सो बिकॉज ऑफ this insect fed plants are stronger and healthier than other plants. So good example of this type of plant is pitcher plant. Now the last example of heterotrophic plant is symbionts. What is symbionts? This is an association of two organisms in which both the partner get benefit is called symbiosis. For example, the association between nitrogen fixing bacteria and roots of leguminous plants is symbiosis. Lichen is an example of symbionts. बेटा होता क्या है कि ये एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं, यानी कि नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया जो होती हैं ये कहाँ मौजूद होती हैं? लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स की रूट्स में. रूट्स के अंदर ये बैक्टीरिया मौजूद होती हैं और फिर इस बैक्टीरिया को नाइट्रोजन मिलता है फ्रॉम द रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. तो इस तरीके से ये दोनों एक दूसरे के काम आते हैं, क्योंकि ये बैक्टीरिया बेटा जाके सॉइल में जो चीज़ें पड़ी होती हैं उनको ब्रेकअप करती हैं. ब्रेकअप करने से नाइट्रोजिनस प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो बैक्टीरिया को मिल जाती हैं. तो ये एक दूसरे के लिए बेनिफिट्स हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्लांट्स और द organisms are called symbionts, and the process is called symbiosis. Another example of symbiosis is association of a fungus and an alga. So they are modified organisms. The fungus provides shelter and water to the alga. Then the alga makes food by photosynthesis. ठीक है बेटा. अब आप लोगों का काम ये है कि you have to draw the diagram from the book in front of these type of special plants. ओके बेटे. इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट जो आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगी वो होगी स्पेशल मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स. ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू do this question and I am giving you the question answers too. Now class, just like plants, animals are also heterotrophic. They cannot make their own food. So They cannot manufacture their food from simple organic substances, so they obtain organic molecules from the environment in the form of food. Such a way of nutrition is called animal-like nutrition or holozoic nutrition. As animals obtain their food from other organisms, this type of nutrition is also called heterotrophic nutrition. According to their type of nutrition, animals are of many types. Number 1, carnivores. Number 2, herbivores. Number 3, omnivores. Number 4, frugivores. Number 5, insectivores. And the last one is parasites. Now, the first one is carnivores. This type of nutrition in which animals feed upon other animals called carnivorous nutrition. And the animals are called carnivores. For example, cat, dog, etc. Canine teeth of carnivore animals are strong, long, sharp and pointed for tearing flesh of other animals. The second mode of nutrition in animal is herbivores. In this type, animals used plants as their food. For example, horse, cattle, deer, etc. feed upon leaves and grass. Such animals are called herbivores. They do not have canines. Many birds such as sparrow, parrot, etc. are also herbivores. Next is omnivores. In this type of nutrition in which animals feed upon flesh as well as plants, man, cockroach are the good example fall into this category. यानी कि बेटे omnivores में अगर देखा जाए तो मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन क्या है कि ये एनिमल्स जो हैं ये फीड करते हैं फ्लैश प्लांट्स पर, यानी कि प्लांट्स की जो भी बनाई हुई चीज़ें होती हैं उन पर ये डिपेंड करते हैं। और अगर देखा जाए तो ये ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो हैं साथ साथ एनिमल्स को भी ये एज ए फूड यूज़ करते हैं। The next type of heterotrophic plants are called insectivorous. These insectivores are those plants which can takes the insect as a food. These plants are found in marshy areas of many countries. They attract insects with their peculiar shape, color and nectar and then trap them inside their modified leaves. यानी कि बेटे ये असल में आप ये डायग्राम देखें, ये है लीफ और इसके आगे जो मॉडिफिकेशन हुई है, दिस कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज द पिचर प्लांट एंड इट हैज़ ए लिड. So they attract the insects due to their color and shape, and it has a nectar. What is nectar? It is a very sweety liquid or substance which can used by the insect. So they trap the insect inside their modified leaves. The prey is killed, digested by enzymes and finally absorbed by these plants. The insectivorous plant can make their food by photosynthesis because of chlorophyll in their leaves and can survive without eating insects. However, the insects fed plants are stronger and healthier. They bear more flowers, fruits and seeds. The good example of this plant is पिचर प्लांट. बेटा डायग्राम में आपको ये कप शेप जो स्ट्रक्चर नज़र आया है, इट इज़ अ पिचर और इसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा लिड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है. होता क्या है कि इंसेक्ट आकर जब इस पिचर प्लांट के टॉप पर बैठते हैं तो ये लिड जो है ये बंद हो जाता है. दे ट्रैप द इंसेक्ट एंड यूज़ एज ए फूड। अब हम ये देखते हैं कि इट इज़ ए मॉडिफाइड लीव, यानी कि ये लीफ की मॉडिफिकेशन है। एंड ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट लीफ हैज़ ए क्लोरोफिल इन इट। सो बेटा ये दोनों तरीके से अपना फूड बना भी सकते हैं और ले भी सकते हैं। जैसे इंसेक्ट है, इंसेक्ट भी इन्होंने एज ए फूड यूज़ किया, और due to the presence of chlorophyll they can make their own food. So these types of plants are stronger and healthier than other plants. They bear more flowers, fruits and seeds. So this is the good example, that is pitcher plant.